Hoorie, it is amazing to light a fire in the afternoon and to have you here, Oom Freddy. It's like my ultimate braai time. Ons gaan nou braai. Freddy, I've prepared us some lekker meat. It's actually so nice to have you here. Dit is soos brandewyn en coke, dit loop net saam. Ek sal vir jou braai, maar dis dit. Jy maak jou eie koffie. 'n Boer maak 'n plan. It's the 3 P's in rugby. In rugby. Possession, pressure and support. We will have 8 hunts in the next year or two. I'm Freddy, on a different note. My hunting partners might change, but you never will. Nee, ek het 'n Franse pel geleer hoe om te braai. My spice, jou spice. Hoor hierso. Sommer net 'n lekker dopie ook. Enjoy it. Freddy, ek nou al my stories vertel. Soms vir jou 'n lekker dopie gegooi. Sê vir my, wat is jou storie? Het jy 'n storie?